What's up, everybody? It's the Strange Vision coming at you today with another food review. Today we're going to be trying out the new Oreo Space Dunks. These are the new flavor of Oreos. They're supposed to be marshmallow cream in the center, and I think they're supposed to have Pop Rocks, right? Yeah. So let's open these up and see what they taste like. As you can see, they got little designs on them. On this one you got a star. And on this one you got a space helmet. And on the other side it just says Oreo. You see they got the blue and pink cream, which is marshmallow. All right, y'all. See what it tastes like. I don't know if you can hear that. It's Pop Rocks. I don't know. Kind of just tastes like a regular Oreo, other than the Pop Rocks. The cream just tastes like regular cream. I don't really taste marshmallow, but still good. 9 out of 10. Catch y'all next time. Peace out.